Hello, everybody, and welcome to NEET Mentor. It's a very important video. I would request you to watch until end to get to know about the registration process. What are the documents required? What is the registration fee, refundable and non-refundable? Means security deposit refundable, and step-by-step procedure how to do the registration, whether you need to upload the documents or you don't need to upload the documents. These are the details: registration fee, certificate and documents required, and other other documents which are not mandatory, but it will apply. And the step-by-step registration process, what you need to do in step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, and do we require to upload documents, FAQ, and all such things. Okay, so it will be very useful video. I uploaded this video before the registration process started, so that even if some changes are there, you have the high level idea like how to do the registration and what sort of readiness you need to keep in order to do the registration smoothly and without any anxiety or like some kind of that mode. Okay, so you should be keeping yourself calm and cool while the registration process. Before we proceed, these are some of the details which will be useful for you, some useful assets for the NEET PG counseling. You can join Telegram group, you can avail our paid counseling guidance. There is a provision to book the counseling slot by paying some token amount, which is 5,000, and you can get your initial level analysis, all your doubts clear, so that 80% you know what is going to happen and 20% will be dynamic due to the changes in the rules. You can download and install mobile application. It's available on Android as well as iOS. This is the procedure to download and install. And you can also visit our website to access our counseling portal, which has enormous details about the counseling process. So first of all, the registration fee that you need to pay for MCC counseling. So you need to decide like for which purpose, and in the process when you select the counseling type, which I'll be telling you later in the slide, how much registration charge, including the refundable and non-refundable, into pay, it will be shown over the screen. So for general category or EWS, the non-refundable amount is 1,000, which is for registration, and you won't be refunded in case you get the seat or you don't get the seat. A refundable amount is 25,000. Okay, so it will be refunded in case you get the seat or you don't get the seat, in both cases. But in round 2, if you get the seat and you don't join it, then it will be forfeited. For both EWS, you are reserved and deemed university. For reserved category candidates, the refundable amount is 10,000. Those candidates who had done last year counseling and they deposit the amount, their refundable security deposit is already refunded. So it takes around 5 to 6 months of time from the date you pay the money. For deemed university, you need to pay totally 2,05,000. Okay, for OBC is 10,500. For general and EWS 26,000. Coming to certificates and documents required: admit card, score card, MBBS degree certificate, provisional degree certificate, you must be having it, MBBS mark sheet for all the years, and your internship completion. Even you are pursuing it, you need to submit the details, and permanent provisional registration certificate for your medical practice, whether it's a state level or MCI, both will work out. For date of birth proof, you need to submit, you can submit like 10th 12th mark sheet where it's mentioned, or like for date of birth certificate, you can get it from Tahsildar. ID proof, Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID card, this any of the card will work. Category certificate, you need to have this OBC, SC, ST and PWD certificates in the format provided in the NEET PG application prospectus. Okay, not in other. In the state, for the state counseling, your local OBC certificate, okay, which is not in the same format as prescribed in NEET PG application, may work out, but at the all India level counseling, you have to make it in the exactly proper format. You can get it from NEET PG application brochure. and some other certificates like migration certificate, which you get from your previous institutes, eligibility certificate from your previous university, NOC, which is for in-service candidates, gap certificate, and for NRI candidate, those who want to go as NRI, they need to send an email to the MCC, which will be published as a notification on the MCC portal, and a sponsored certificate need to, which is signed from embassy and sealed by embassy of the foreign country, Indian embassy of the foreign country. Those details are required for NRI candidates. I will be creating a separate video, or you can watch our last year videos. You can search NRI documents, then you will find it. Step by step procedure. So first you need to fill up the registration form, application form. You need to fill up your qualification details, where MBBS details will be there, internship completion, start date, institute, all those things, counseling details, which counseling you want to proceed with, options will be there, contact details, and final submit will be there. You need to make sure that the mobile number or the email ID that you give during the registration process, it doesn't change until unless the counseling completes. So you need to enter gender, nationality, religion, category, OBC, EWS, SC, ST. So some of the details will be pre-filled, which they will be fetching it from NB application. Okay, and person with the disability and all such thing will be taken from there. Marital status. Do you want to now important stuff? In order to get admission into armed force medical colleges, you have to make sure that you do the registration from MCC portal. There is no separate portal for registration to AFMC, armed force medical colleges, and so you need to put yes or no. AFMS criteria, there are different criteria which you fall under, okay, depending on your status. Then MBBS marks details, your passing year, passing status, enrollment number, and then university you passed from. Internship details, they will ask, have you completed or proceeding the internship? You say yes. Institute name, where you have completed your internship from, internship start date, which will be mentioned in the internship certificate, and the internship completion date. You will be asked to select one or multiple of these counseling. All India counseling means 50% of the seats in government colleges. Deemed university, all the deemed university will be coming in this counseling. Armed force medical colleges and NBEMS DNB quota. NBEMS DNB quota will include DNB as well as diploma. So DNB, diploma, deemed university, and all India quota. When you select all India quota, your central institute will also be considered under that. Okay, and based on the selection, you will be displayed the fee here. Aggregated fee need to be paid, including refundable and non-refundable, which you can proceed. And after payment, your contact details, corresponding address, and you need to make sure that you are available on this address, and then permanent address need to be put it here. Then you will be asked to review the details before you do the final submit, and once you submit, there will be a pop-up shown that you verify that with these details you will be share your allotment letter, and you say yes, then final submission is done, and you will be displayed that you have registered successfully. So do you require any documents to be uploaded? No details, no documents need to be uploaded, only the document details need to be entered. And at the time of document verification, at the time of admission, actually you have to go through the document verification. That time you need to keep all the original documents ready with you. Some of the FAQs, like in case you have mentioned EWS, OBC during the registration, NEET PG registration, and later you fail to get EWS or OBC, then in that case what will happen? Would be you eligible to change it from OBC EWS to general? Yes, you can do the changes, and for that you need to request to the MCC through email. You need to bombard their email box with lots of emails, and they will revert it. They will open a window to do so, and vice versa is not possible. In case you have mentioned the general and later you got to receive a EW certificate, then you won't be able to convert the reservation criteria from general to EWS. In case some candidates have wrongly mentioned themselves as NRI category, that's by mistake, they can also correct it, okay, by changing their nationality from NRI to Indian. Okay, so this is also possible. And how do you do the registration for armed force medical colleges? Only registration is done through MCC portal. Rest of the counseling will be done in offline mode, and for that you need to get in touch with AFMC Pune. Okay, so that's all from my side. I hope the details are like very useful to you, and if it's so, then don't forget to like the video and share it with your group, and you can also contact us on this number to avail our paid counseling guidance. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.